Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at the newest combo washer and dryer technology from LG. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Do you have a space restriction for a washer and a dryer? Unable to install a vent line? The LG combination washer-dryer fits perfectly in apartments, condos and small spaces. It's also ventless, eliminating the need to install a dryer vent. There are sacrifices when you're using a space-saving unit, and one is the size of your load. The large capacity washers average about 4.1 cubic feet. Standard size washers average about 2.9 to 3.1 feet. This compact washer and dryer features 2.3 cubic foot capacity. However, with being a 2-in-1 system, you will save time and space by condensing everything into one washer and dryer load. This LG combination model has 6 motion technology washing experience that combines up to 6 different wash motions to provide a revolutionary cleaning experience for your clothes. The 4-trade dispenser can dispense pre-wash, main wash with liquid detergent cup, also add bleach and fabric softener. As far as drying your clothes, you can choose up to 5 different drying levels and utilize the machine's manual dry time presets. LG also has their lockable quiet operation technology. You could be assured the washer and dryer runs quietly for a non-disruptive laundry experience. LG also has the Smart Thing technology. You can download news cycles to the washer and dryer. This is a fantastic feature that everyone needs to know about. This unit comes with 14 different wash programs and a sanitary cycle that heats up the water to 158 degrees Fahrenheit to remove even the toughest stains and bacteria. With the Smart Diagnosis technology, LG has an app that can record and analyze the special tones emitted by the Smart Diagnosis and can instantly provide troubleshooting steps and tips to help correct your issues. The True Balance anti-vibration system is designed to reduce washer noise and vibration for smooth, quiet performance in any room of the house, even if it's on another floor. So with all these features packed into one small unit, it's the best deal for someone with limited space. If you compare it to a separate washer and dryer purchase at the same quality, you would spend up to $500 to $800 more to buy separate units. As with any advanced technology appliance, eventually the time will come when it will need some type of repair. ApplianceVideo.com has videos on this LG combo washer and dryer to help you cover any of the repairs needed to keep your appliance up and running. So check the link in the description. And if this video helped you, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.